This base cream has been created or designed to deliver great moisture to the skin, and it has an excellent spreadability. This base cream can be used both for a face cream and a body cream. All you have to do is add your actives for each of the purposes that you want to use this base for. Now, a client has requested us to create this base in order for her to be able to use it for a face cream and a body cream. I'm going to take you on a journey as I make this product and also give you some insight as to how my birthday went. If you like to see that, you definitely want to watch this video till the end. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi! My name is Sele Kalio, and on this channel I create DIY skincare recipes. I teach you how you can create your own skincare product at home, how you can use these skincare products to create a business for yourself, and basically just generally teach you about your skin and how you can get a flawless skin and everything that has to do with beauty. So if this is something that you're interested in, you definitely want to join the family by subscribing down below and becoming a Flawless Skin Gang. If you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you guys. When they say base cream, a lot of people are confused as to what exactly a base cream is. Now, a base cream is basically an unscented thick emulsion that can be used to create other skincare creams like face cream, body cream for acne, anti-aging, whitening, lightening, brightening, depigmenting, and so on and so forth. Now, these creams are made in a way that they can accommodate other ingredients without thinning out. Now, how you make your base or how your base performs after you use them to pro-mix your products is dependent on the ingredients that you use, the techniques, and most especially the emulsifiers and stabilizers that are used in your base cream. Now, base creams are mainly, used to create other kind of skincare creams. So you're adding serums, you're adding actives. Now you want to make sure that your base cream is at a stable pH that can accommodate these ingredients and more. In our upcoming base corrective class or corrective base class, I'm going to be teaching you how to make stable base emulsions that you can use to pro-mix other skincare products. I'm going to show you how you can create a whitening base that can accommodate other ingredients like hydroquinone, and I'm also going to be teaching you how to make a plain base that you can use to pro-mix super whitening products using over-the-counter serums, tubes, and all of that are used these days. So I will urge you, if you are trying to get your base cream formulations or formulas correct and you want to start creating stable base creams that will accommodate other ingredients and still stay stable and safe for your customers or for you to use, then you definitely want to join this class. You all know how expensive base creams can be. They are extremely expensive, and buying your base cream outside will make you not break even when costing your product, and it will end up making your products super expensive. So in order for you to cut across the market and be able to stay in a proper and a good price range for your products or your market, you definitely want to learn how to make your own base creams. And making your base creams makes your production easier, because all you have to do is scoop out from the already made base cream to create your own skincare emulsions or your own skincare products like your creams, your face creams, your body creams, your acne creams, and so on and so forth. Now, the quality of your end products for your emulsions or your base creams is solely and mainly dependent on the kind of emulsifiers that you use, the kind of stabilizers that you use, and all of the other stuff that makes your base cream stay stable. So in this class, I'm going to be teaching you all that, and I'm also going to be showing you some of my top favorite emulsifiers to use that can give you a luxurious feel to your products and can give you a luxurious spreadability and moisture deposition on your skin. Now, let me deviate a bit and gist you people about my birthday. You guys know my birthday was on the 2nd of December. By the way, I really appreciate every single one of you who wished me well. Those of you who put my pictures on your status, I felt like a princess on the 2nd. I am really grateful from the bottom of my heart. I am grateful. Thank you so much for the love. I was so overwhelmed. I was over the moon. Thank you guys so much. I really love you guys. Now, on that day, I didn't do anything. I just was at home. It was a Friday, so it was a school day. I had to get up as usual and take Brian to school. In fact, I even forgot that it was my birthday. I was gingered the previous day. By the Friday, I woke up and I was pushing Brian, get up, we're getting late. You need to have your bath and all. Brian was like, Mommy, calm down. It's your birthday. You don't have to shout. I'm like, oh, it's my birthday. I totally forgot. I slept on time, so I totally forgot that it was my birthday. By the way, I turned 35. So, hey, I'm in my mid-30s now. I feel old, but okay. So I took Brian to school and, I came back home. I received a lot of calls, a lot of messages. Some of them made me cry. In fact, a lot of them made me tear up. And, I was just grateful to be alive. And, I was shown this amazing love. So that's how on that day, I was almost scammed, a bit duped. So somebody sent me a message on WhatsApp, no, not on WhatsApp, on Facebook, that they were instructed to give me a gift. And I'm like, who would have instructed you to give me a gift? And they were like, oh, somebody asked them to send me, that somebody gave them 10,000 naira for me. I was like, oh, okay. So they were like, should we pay it into your account, or would you want us to send it to you as airtime top up? I was like, okay, I'm not sure I trust this source, but just send it as airtime. And then the guy goes, okay, we're going to send it to you, but check your text messages. You see now that you received a message. We would like you to give us the code that was sent in that message, and then we'll tell you how you can get your airtime. And I'm like, for 10,000 naira credit. I checked my phone. I saw OTP, one-time password. And that can only mean that they are trying to hack my account. And the moment I release that code to them, that's the end of it. So the guy was like, what's the code? I said, Jesus is Lord. It was like, no, I mean, what's the message on the text message that was sent? What's the numeric message that was sent there? It's some numbers. I was like, yes, it says Jesus is Lord. The man got upset though and started abusing me. I'm like, look at you. You want to dupe me. You want to guy a guy. Me, a typical Port Harcourt girl. You want to guy me. Cannot now. So when I asked my brother was like, if I had given them that code, they would have been able to access my phone, be able to, everything that's going on my phone, my banking details, my text messages, my calls, everything would have been diverted to a particular app where they will be controlling my messages. So for example, if a customer wants to buy something, the customer will be chatting with them and they will charge you and collect your money. And at the end of the day, you will think that I was the one who have done the transaction with you. So it was crazy and scary at the same time. I was like, wow. So if I wasn't smart enough to know that this was a scam, if I had just out of excitement or desperation giving them the pin, this is where I would have landed. So guys, I'm telling us this so that we can be very, very careful, very, very careful. There are so many craziness out there that people have just lost all sense of humanity. They don't care what their actions would do to the next person. All they care about is their pocket and their selfish interest. So be careful out there. Be careful, please. So yeah, that was how my day went. Now back to the video at hand. You can see that my Scan Frost hand mixer is crying. This mixer has gone through a lot. It has seen hell and back, and it has started falling apart, and this is a clear indication that I need to get a new one. Please, you people should come and register for training. Buy my ebook, buy my product, so that I'll be able to replace all these things that are falling apart. I beg you, please. Yeah, now a lot of you are asking me if the training is for beginners or it's for advanced. Now, as a beginner, you can take my classes. You all know how my classes are. Even the most novice will be able to grasp. But I always advise that you get the ebook first so that you don't drag us back, because there will be some people on there who are already making products and they just need recipes that work. And this is what these trainings are for, showing you recipes and tricks that work that you can use to improve your business. So if you're a beginner, I will advise you to get our ebook first. The ebook is 10,000 naira, and this ebook will help you understand the basics of skincare formulation. It will introduce you to all the beginner friendly tips and tricks and things that you're supposed to know, things that you're supposed to have, and all of that. And then the training is for 50,000 naira per course. We have 4 courses, so each course is 50,000 naira. If you're taking all 4 courses, you're going to be paying 150,000. If you're taking 3 courses, you're going to be paying 130,000, and if you're taking 2, you're going to be paying 100,000 of course. Let's just zoom into this product and see how glossy and velvety and very beautiful it looks. This cream does not leave any oily residue on your body. So it is a lightweight. As much as it is a cream, it still has a very lightweight feel. So even if you put it on your face, you're not having that heavy oil. If you notice, I didn't use a lot of oils. The oils I used are oil esters. And that's why you need to join my class, so you can learn about these things and how you can create grease-free creams for your clients, especially if you're in a hot environment. So as you can see, the product is so luxurious. Now, like I said earlier, the emulsifier you use for your base cream or for your creams will determine the look, the feel, the viscosity, and all of that. So make sure you are getting all of those things right. Don't just think that emulsifying e-wax is just one. There are so many different kinds of e-wax, and I'm going to be sharing this information with you as well on this upcoming training. So if I were you, I would take advantage, because we're going to be giving access to only 20 people. So if you want to be among those 20 people, you definitely want to take advantage of this. Send us a WhatsApp message for all the information that you need about the training, and we will give you the models and then details as to how you can pay and join the class. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. I used one of my favorite emulsifiers and I don't hate it at all. I don't regret it at all. So yeah, this is the base cream that was created for this client. And like you guys, I always tell you, I don't make my products in large quantities. For my base creams, I don't make more than 10 kg. So I don't mind making my products every week, as far as I can control quality. That's what is important to me. So I make almost every time I make base creams, almost every week. In fact, not almost every week, sometimes even 2-3 times a week, I make base cream, because base creams are bought very, very fast, especially for people who are using it to make their own products. And yes, we can also create base creams for you if you want us to. And it will save you formulation time and, stress of making products from scratch. All you have to do is just scoop your base and you're good to go. All right. Okay. So if you haven't subscribed up till now, please take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time that I put out a new video, which is at least once a week, at most 3 times a week. And also leave your comments in the comment section if this video was entertaining, educative, or interesting. And if you like to, give us an idea of videos that you want us to do, you want me to do, leave your comment in the comment section. If you have questions about our training, about anything else, leave your comment in the comment section or send us a WhatsApp message for training and you will get a response. Please try to be patient. We will get to every single one of you. So here I'm just adding all of my cool down phase ingredients. As you can see, the product is now really, really thick. But as time goes on, by the next day and the next day, it gets thicker. And I use this product to pro mix a whitening cream. I will put that video sometime next week. And this product, I used a lot of serums and lots of actives that are mixed in water, and the product still holds its form. Like, it's still thick and very, very, stable. And this is what you will be getting if you join our class. Okay. So yeah, this is me adding my vitamins, my preservatives, extracts, and all of that jazz. As you can see, my scale too is acting up. I need to replace all of these things. So I went ahead, added everything, mixed it together, and then I poured it into a bowl. The customer wanted about 500 grams. So I got my container and I poured it in. And yeah, that was it basically. This is, like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is me just, carrying you along, giving you some gist, and then, explaining as well in the process, because you guys know I always like to bring educative content to you guys, not just, content for you to just come and look. I like to teach as well. So I put that a bit into this video as well as you're watching. So yeah, I'm going to have a general updated base cream video soon, but that will be maybe in January. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm just going to get my scale, get the container that I'm going to be using. Make sure everything that you're using for your products are properly bleached and sterilized. Like, I'm not even joking. That can make or break your products. If your containers are not properly sterilized, your products will go bad easily and you will not be able to, make any profits. So I like to make sure I sterilize and bleach my products. I did a bit of a video on how I clean my product containers and all of that. I'm going to leave a link somewhere for you guys to see. And then also showed you how I make my simple labels at home and all of that. So I'm going to leave a link here for you guys to see. So I went ahead and I poured in the product into the container, and then I covered it, and this product is on its way to its owner. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions or any videos that you want me to do, definitely leave your comments in the comment section and peep that glossiness. It is the glossiness and the rich feel that it jig, I beg, a jig well, a jig. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm trying as much as possible to come on here as much as I can. So yeah, I'm definitely going to see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye, love you all.